Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring power and backups are solved so the update won't fail. Charge the S20 FE 5G to at least 50% or keep it plugged in. Updates can drain battery. Backup important data to Samsung Cloud or Google Drive because updates rewrite system files. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular interruptions and check your current Android and One UI version in settings so you know what's changing. You now fetch and apply the update. Open Settings, choose Software Update, then download and install. The phone will check servers and download available packages. If nothing appears, tap Check for updates or enable auto download over Wi-Fi so future updates arrive automatically. Let the download finish without launching heavy apps or toggling airplane mode. The installer will verify the package and then reboot the device to apply the update. This reboot completes the system file replacement. After the installer finishes and the phone restarts, verify the new build under About Phone right arrow software information so you confirm success. If the update fails, clear 2 to 4 GB of storage and attempt again. Smart Switch on a PC can apply firmware if over-the-air keeps failing. If you face connectivity or boot problems, reset network settings, boot to safe mode to isolate apps, and only then consider a factory reset. That's the last resort because it erases user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.